Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day update using Cash App. Today is day 294. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. If you don't know what this experiment is or how to use stocks or Bitcoin within Cash App, or you don't know how to receive some dividends with your cryptocurrency, go ahead and check out all of the links down in the description. They will explain everything. We are currently on day 294 of buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day. Bitcoin is currently at $7,280. Let's take a look at the 1 week chart. So we did have a dip down to about 6,500, but it bounced right back to 7,300-ish. So that is a pretty healthy bounce there, you know, about a 9% bounce. Pretty quickly there in like a half day. So that's a pretty healthy bounce in my opinion. Long term, we're kind of going down. I still wouldn't doubt the $5,000 zone, but the bounce looks solid short term. I'm gonna keep buying $1 every day, keep collecting, keep dollar cost averaging, especially at these cheap prices. So let's tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give me my order details, and I'm gonna tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin. I currently have $314.36 here. Let's go to the calculator. 314.36 divided by 294 days equals a 1.069 on my investment. So that's pretty good. I'm up about 7%. I was up about 75% in this zone, but just continuing to collect all through this. That's my strategy. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I will try and answer those. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.